Volatility of Bitcoin's value. One of the primary risks associated with Bitcoin is its volatility. Bitcoin's value can fluctuate significantly, sometimes even within a single day. This volatility can make it difficult for individuals and businesses to use Bitcoin as a stable store of value or medium of exchange. For example, if a business accepts Bitcoin as payment for goods or services, they may be exposed to the risk of sudden price fluctuations that could result in significant losses. Security risks and potential for hacking. Another risk associated with Bitcoin is the potential for security breaches and hacking. Because Bitcoin transactions are conducted online, they are vulnerable to cyber attacks, which can result in the loss of funds. There have been several high-profile cases of Bitcoin exchanges and wallets being hacked, resulting in the theft of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. In addition, individuals who store their Bitcoin in digital wallets are responsible for securing their private keys, which can be stolen if the wallet is not properly secured. Illegal use of Bitcoin in black market transactions. Bitcoin has been associated with illegal activities, such as money laundering, drug trafficking, and other illicit transactions. Because Bitcoin transactions are anonymous and difficult to trace, they have been used by criminals to conduct illegal activities online. This has led to concerns that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies may facilitate criminal activity and pose a risk to national security. Lack of regulation and potential for scams. Bitcoin operates outside of traditional financial systems and is not regulated by any government or central authority. This lack of regulation can make it difficult for consumers to understand the risks associated with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Additionally, the lack of regulation can make it easier for scammers to operate, as there are Northwest consumer protections in place to prevent fraud. There have been several instances of cryptocurrency scams, such as Ponzi schemes and fake ICOs, that have resulted in significant financial losses for investors. In conclusion, Bitcoin poses several risks, including volatility of its value, security risks and potential for hacking, illegal use in black market transactions, and lack of regulation and potential for scams. While Bitcoin offers several advantages, it is important for individuals and businesses to understand the risks associated with the use of Bitcoin and to take steps to mitigate these risks. This may include implementing security measures to protect digital wallets, conducting due diligence on Bitcoin exchanges and other service providers, and understanding the potential legal and regulatory implications of using Bitcoin. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, it will be important for regulators, industry participants, and consumers to work together to address the risks associated with this emerging technology. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more daily videos about crypto.